Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 items that cost under $30 US that it can help you become a better photographer. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Now I don't have these in any kind of particular order. I just have them set up. These are 5 things that I bought over the years that have made my photography a lot easier. And number 1 is cases for your batteries. These things offer some protection for your batteries for several things. One, from just being hit by something, it kind of keeps it protected in your pack. It also allows your battery to adjust to the temperature slower. So if you go from an air-conditioned room into 90-95 degree weather, your battery warms up slower. And if you're going from a 70-degree house to 10 below zero, this helps protect your battery from dramatic temperature changes. It protects your batteries from being hit by something that might be in your pack, and it also protects your battery from shorting out while you have it in your pocket or in your backpack. And the last thing it does is it offers a little bit of moisture protection to your battery. So they cost $15 for 4. They sell them in different sizes for different batteries. They also come with little styrofoam things inside of them that will help protect your battery while it's inside the case. And for the cost, to me, it's a no-brainer. Having the availability of having your battery secure in your backpack, it's worth the $15. So the second item that I have on this is a way of protecting your media. Now these cases here, this company doesn't make these, well, they don't sell them on Amazon anyways. I couldn't find them. And I could be wrong about what the company is too. I bought this case probably 5 or 6 years ago. It has served me flawlessly in all that time. They cost between $10 and $15. This one here I actually dropped on a hike and didn't realize I dropped it until 7 hours later, went back and picked it up, and everything was perfectly fine. Again, it protects your media from being hit by things in your case. It protects your media from all kinds of electrical discharges. It protects it from moisture. It protects it from temperature changes. So this is a really good thing to have. And for like $10 to $15, you can't beat it. The other thing too is this is easier to find in your backpack than it is to find a little CF or SD card. So I strongly encourage you to get something like this. Now the third item that I strongly encourage you to have is these little Zeiss cleaning cloths and a lens cloth. These are really inexpensive. These Zeiss cleaning cloths, each package has a individual cloth in it with a little bit of alcohol. This is great for cleaning your lens, for cleaning your back display of your camera, cleaning your viewpoint. Anything that you get on your camera, they can be cleaned with this, and the alcohol evaporates really fast. The other item is a lens cloth. Now when I say a lens cloth, I don't mean those little ones that you get free when you buy something from Amazon. You should have one that's 8 inches to a foot in diameter, or square. These things are great for cleaning your lenses, but it's also great for if you get something on your camera like mud, or if somebody spills a soda on your camera or something like that. This is a great thing for wiping up that kind of stuff. And then when you get home, you just throw them in the washing machine. I usually carry 2 or 3 of these with me because one thing that I constantly see people have is really dusty lenses. And having something like this to be able to wipe your lens is really good. The other thing about having a big one like this is that you can use this to screw on a filter or something like that, and it will protect your filter from your fingerprints. Just a really good item. These cost between $5 and $10. The Zeiss cleaning cloths here, you can buy 200 of these for less than $15. I find it very ironic that I am talking to you about organization. I am probably the least organized individual on the face of the earth. The one thing that I have with me is one of these cable organizers. They're really thin. This one has basically 3 levels in it. This is a great way to store anything that you need to bring with you. Now I have in this bag all my tools that I need to fix anything that I have to do in the field. I have my CF cards and SD cards are in here. My batteries are in here. Any cables that I need, so I have an extra cell phone charging cable in here. I have parts for my tripod are all in this bag here. So when I need to look for something, I know where it is. It's in this bag here, and very quickly I can find it. Now one of the things that I kind of get annoyed with some backpacks is that they have all these little tiny little cubby holes in the backpacks. And the thing is that if I need to find something, usually something catastrophic has happened and I need to fix it. And having something like this really can cut down on the stress on you because you know all your stuff is in this bag here. The other thing too I like about having a bag like this, that if I have my checked luggage, I carry my carry-on luggage onto an airplane and they give me some grief about the size of my backpack, I can take this and put it in my carry-on luggage, and that will help me a little bit by saving some weight. Just a quick, easy way to organize yourself. Well, the last item I'm going to talk to you about is a tripod pad. Now what this does is it protects your shoulder from your tripod as you're carrying it through the woods. So this is the easiest way to carry your tripod. And this will encourage you to bring your tripod with you and to bring it further into the woods. So having this pad on your shoulder protects your shoulder. It cuts down on fatigue, cuts down on discomfort, and it is a really good thing to get. Now, I bought this thing and I don't honestly know how much I paid for it. I have a gut feeling that I paid $10 to $15 for this. This pad here is made by EP Gear. And unfortunately, I was not able to find this available anyplace. I went to Walmart, I went to Amazon, I went to B&H website, and they all had it advertised there, but they didn't have any that you could actually buy. So Lens Coat makes something very similar to this. It costs a little bit more, $30 online now, but this is a great thing to have for two reasons. One, it makes carrying your tripod a lot more comfortable. If you're more comfortable, you're more willing to carry it, and if you're more willing to carry it and more willing to carry it further, then you're more likely to get those epic photos that you can get. And if this thing can help you get one epic photo, it's worth the $30. The first thing I want to state is that all this stuff is stuff that I bought myself. The companies that make this stuff don't know that I'm doing this review. I just believe in this stuff, and I believe that there are a lot of different products out there that serve the same niche. So brand names, that kind of stuff, I don't think matters that much. Just the idea that those items are available to you and that you can definitely get those. So I'm hoping you got something out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because it helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.